Are Augmentin and Amoxicillin the same? No, Augmentin and Amoxicillin are not the same, although they do share some similarities. Augmentin is a brand name for a combination antibiotic medication that contains amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. Amoxicillin, on the other hand, is a standalone antibiotic medication. While both Augmentin and amoxicillin are effective against bacterial infections, the addition of clavulanic acid in Augmentin makes it more versatile and effective against a wider range of bacteria. Clavulanic acid helps to inhibit the action of enzymes produced by bacteria that can render amoxicillin ineffective. This combination makes Augmentin a stronger antibiotic option in certain cases. To better illustrate the difference, let's take an example. Suppose someone has a mild skin infection caused by a specific bacteria. In this case, a healthcare professional might prescribe amoxicillin as the first-line treatment. However, if the infection does not respond to amoxicillin or the bacteria involved are known to produce enzymes that can inhibit amoxicillin, then Augmentin might be prescribed instead. This is because the addition of clavulanic acid in Augmentin can overcome the bacterial resistance. It's important to note that the choice between Augmentin and amoxicillin depends on the specific condition being treated, the severity of the infection, and the susceptibility of the bacteria involved. Consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial to determine the most appropriate medication for an individual's specific needs.